life, experience, waterways.
Okay, so today if you ask me, who is Chaitanya to us? Words will eventually turn out to be less to describe you. A true friend, a true mentor, a fun-loving guy. He exactly knew what our life is. He taught us no matter whatsoever happened, my boy, just live your life to its core. Smile, enjoy, have fun, be happy. An eternal memory until we meet again, my brother. You are nowhere gone. You resides in our hearts forever and ever.
I won't ever miss you, dost, cause you will always be alive in our hearts. I hope to see you again with a lot of memories.
Now we realized what is friendship.
His lifestyle was so unique that he used to live his present without worrying about his future. And I think that's a definition to life. So guys, let's have a look at his final video he made with us.
And action.
Action. Wapas.